Hare Krishna. In the Ramayana, there is a beautiful story about Vibhishan and Ravana. Ravana was paranoid that he is going to lose control over Lanka. Ravana goes to the house of Vibhishan because he hears that Vibhishan has become a great devotee of Lord Ram and is chanting his names day and night. When he enters Vibhishan's house, he is aghast to see that in every wall of Vibhishan's house there is the name Rama, Rama, Rama written. Seeing that, Ravana becomes extremely angry and he shouts and screams at Vibhishan, "Oh Vibhishan, how dare you write my enemy's name on the walls of your house? Don't you know how I hate Ram so much? He is my number one enemy and you are glorifying him by writing his names everywhere." Vibhishana stops Ravana and says, "Dear Ravana, why are you getting so paranoid? Do you think this is that Rama? No, I have written Rama, Rama, Rama everywhere, but the real internal meaning is Ra stands for Ravana and Ma stands for Mandodari, your wife. Therefore, Rama, Rama, Rama basically means Ravana, Mandodari, Ravana, Mandodari. We are glorifying you." Ravana becomes ecstatic and he goes and declares in the whole of Lanka, every house, all the walls should have Rama, Rama, Rama written. Thus, Vibhishan is a great example of someone who transforms something negative into something positive. He does not crib and complain that I am here in Lanka completely surrounded by all kinds of asuric forces. But he sees, how can I add value in this particular situation? Bhagavatam describes, "Nahi asya karhichit rajan puman veda viditsitam yaj vijigyasaya yukta muhyanti kavayopihi." The plans of the Supreme Lord are inscrutable. Intelligent person is one who considers every situation and calamity as an opportunity and thus treats that as a situation which can be converted into something positive and divine. Let's try to transform our consciousness because circumstances cannot be controlled unlimitedly. Thank you very much.